Hindi ko alam paano gamitin. Buti na lang siya si Direk Brillante, tinuruan niya. Sabi ko, Direk, ano ba ito? Baka gamitin ito lahat. So first time lahat yun, and then yun. Mahirap siya, pero nailaban namin. So of course, with the help of everybody.
Ako, nahirapan ako doon sa lahat ng galit part kasi pinaka-new siya sa role ko. Pansin ko din na hawi ako ng hawi ng buhok. Pero sabi naman ni Direk na okay daw yung galit ko kaya kailangan pa. Next time, sana ma-all out ko yung galit ko.
Sa akin naman, hindi naman ganun kadami ginawa kong scene. And challenging lang sa akin is yung love scene kay Vince because first time kong magtrabaho with him. Pero hindi naman ako hinayaan ni Direk Brillante. Tinulungan niya ako in everything.
Diba, Ron? Walang sasabihin.
Gaya po ng sinabi ni Misty, buti na nandun po si Direk Brillante para i-guide po kami sa mga sexy scenes. Paano mag-whip, bakit papasok yung bola sa mga bagay-bagay na hindi ko na maisip kung para saan.
Kawawa si
I
Balo.
love you, Direk.
Si Balo.
But it's my first time to actually do this kind of daring role, love scenes, and sa lahat ng may eksena, yung love scene ko, akala nyo parang nag-enjoy kami, nanginginig kami, no? Nanginginig tayo sa tapat. But yun, hopefully mas-screen lang talaga na maayos ng Viva na hindi ito pumasok sa Pornhub. Kasi, totoo kasi yung ibang mga may na so dapat mas-screen nila. Kung hindi, dapat bigyan din kami ng porsyento. Since, Benching ko, pwede na ba tayo? All in? All in, Benching ko, porsyento sa Pornhub.
There you have it. Thank you very much. That was Jerry Oleo of FAP. Up next, we have Danny Vivas of Daily Tribune.
Hello there. Yeah. Well, maybe the film can tell us how do you come up with this with a story like this? I mean, I think it's a rare movie, especially the way it was shot. But what inspired you? I don't know if a movie like this needs an inspiration to write, but how did you come about this?
Yeah, so I was in America, and I was thinking of my next film, and I saw a scene in Ammo where Felix Rocco's character goes into a gambling den, and I said, "This world fascinates me. Like, I could do a whole movie just about gambling dens." So I started doing research and asking people about gambling they do here, and when I came here, we did more research, and we talked to more people, and we saw how they cheat, how they gamble, and then Direk Brillante and I, we expand the story. We start to include their inner life also, not just how they gamble and win money and all that stuff, but also like the life behind the scenes with their family and the struggles that they go through. And we start to build out the story and the world more, and we keep expanding it.
How long did you said you did research? How long did that take? I mean, how many, I don't know, gambling houses or gambling places did you have to visit to get to know how things are going on? Or how things go on there? Like, we're familiar with the legit casinos. We see how it's operated, but these are not legit. So, how many did you have to visit or whatever?
Some we visit, some we get anecdote, so they just tell us. Some we go to, some they just they recreate for us. like it's not real, like dangerous. They just tell us, oh, we do this. This is a way to cheat. This is a way people do things. So some is real, and some is they just kind of walk us through and teach us.
Okay. The movie was kind of slow, but we understand why. But anyway, what I'm going to say is I like the film. I very rarely see a film as slow as this, and yet as interesting, because you what's in your minds of you is what's going to happen next. What's going to happen next? So it's that kind of movie for me. Thanks.
Thank you very much. Our next question will be coming from Ms. Marceli Harde of Bulgar.
Good evening sa ating lahat. Congratulations sa inyo lahat, lalo na kay Janelle T. at saka kay Angelica Kang. Dahil sobra akong naeya. Minuto, umiihi ako. But anyway, ang topic ko lang. Do you believe that money is the root of all evil? Sino pa mga kasagot? Kung sinong gusto kong sumagot?
Ikaw na naman. Popol. Popol siya na.
Beauty pageant, go.
Ah.
Our queen, go.
Thank you for the wonderful question.
Ikaw si ano, Janela?
Apo.
Go queen! Go queen!
Janelle T, ano? Ikaw. Pareho ka naman magkahalos kayo ni ano eh.
Pakainin mo yung alka mo.
Angelica.
Oh, kapatid.
Angelica.
Well, yes, money is the root of all evil, but money can also be used in our daily needs, diba? So it's just a matter of what's our intention with what will we do with our money. So, yeah. Yep.
Janelle, ano? Yung isa.
Yes, I think money is the root of all evil kasi money talagang totoo, it can rule us. Lalong-lalo na pag sobrang kailangan natin, like what we saw in the movie. But I also think na money is there para i-balance tayo sa life kasi when everything is free, pag may nakukuha ka as a person, parang gustong-gusto mo pa hanggang sa hindi mo na makontrol yung sarili mo, kaya there's gambling. And yeah, I think money also balance everything, but it also is the root of all evil.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, kasi tatay ko po si Freddy Gasser, no?
Baron, sa palagay mo ba mas panalo ka sa pusoy sa pakikipag sisling hatsin mo with Angelica King Kang at saka Janela T.
Janela Kong. King Kong.
Walang yak talaga pare.
Vulgar ka talaga, te.
Huwag na po kasi kayo mag-shades gabing-gabi. Kaya hindi mo na paano nakita yung mga love scenes.
Kukray ka
ni-
kayo.
Doon ko nga nakikita eh. So, sobra nga. Ano naman?
Anyway. Kita naman po natin lahat, pantay-pantay po yun. Feeling ko nga, mas nakascore nga, nakalamang po itong baby brother ko eh. Nagkataon lang, mas maraming kaming laman na pinakita, mas maraming akong laman na pinakita na good luck sa asawa ko. Thank you, ma'am.
Yung isa, yung isa pa rin gumaganap na, Vince Dillon, Oh, bata ka pa, pero sobra ka na makipag-sex, ha?
Kukray ka, te.
Mas malapit po yung mga sex ni Gabaran kasi po talagang kain kong kain eh. Hindi man lang tinanong kung naghugas ng pao muna yung...
Ay, tataka nga ako, kinakain nyo?
Ako po nagagawa eh.
Oo.
Hindi nga nga po nag-alcohol ng paa, nagulat na naman. Pagka gano'n ko, ay, sabit. Hindi ko consider, kaya tinuloy-tuloy ko na lang.
Yes, sa'yo si Angelica at saka si Janelle. Okay naman sa inyo, sisiling hatching. Hindi kayo tinalaman o tinalaman?
Hindi na. Kasi po talagang trabaho po yung ano. Pag nandun ka po sa eksena, hindi nyo makakaramdam ng ano eh, ng yung libog. Opo, isa na rin po yan. Mainit po. Eksena. Opo. Totoo po. Opo. Narinig ko.
Kesa sa katawan ni Angelica at saka ni Janelle, no?
Opo.
Mas mainit ang click lights, yung mga lights, no? Oo, sige. Sa susunod, mas galingan niya pa, lalo para ihi ako naihi. Salamat ha.
Thank you, Miss Mercy Lejarde for Bulgar. Up next, we have Archie Liao of Abandoned Tonight and Police Files.
Congratulations kay Baron at saka kay Vince at saka sa the rest of the cast. Especially kay Baron, very remarkable yung performance at saka kay Vince. Ang dalawa lang tatanong ko si Baron at saka si Vince. Una, ang tanong ko kay Baron, may emote ka dati na sinabi mo na sana gumawa naman ang Viva Max ng mga pelikula na hindi temong sexy. Ngayon, nagpa-sexy ka. Does it mean to say na last mo ito o gagawa ka pa mga sexy?
Actually, next week may gagawin po akong sexy. Parang natuwa po ako. But I think nag-improve kung makita niyo naman po. Hindi naman nakabulat-lat po yung tastefully done pa rin naman. Of course, nandun po yung tema ng Viva Max, pero tastefully done.
Your boldest so far.
Huh?
It's your boldest so far.
Oh yes, my first time to wear nothing. But yeah, Vince?
Ako po, that's it. Hindi naman, gagawa pa rin naman po. Hanggat talaga nagre-read naman po, natutuwa rin naman ang gusto rin ng mga tao. So, tutuloy pa rin po. Hanggat hindi na babago yung tema. Ano yun lang, ini-enjoy ko lang po. Yun po.
Next question ko para kay Vince, nakita natin sa pelikula dito kung gaano ka-intense si Baron. Anong natutunan mo kay Baron sa pagiging intense actor?
Overacting po siya.
Kahit overacting siya, nararamdaman ko po yung ano niya, puso. Kahit na OA siya, may puso pa rin yung arte niya. Talagang maniwala po kayo. Iba po talaga si Kuya Baron, sinabi ko sa kanya. Lamon ako dito, lamon ako sa kanya, kami nila. Pag ako sa kanya, sa buhay sa minsan, iniidolo ko sa mga kontrabida. Siya po, sa pagdating sa mga ganyan. Totoo.
Congratulations again.
Thank you very much. That was Archie Liao of Abandoned Tonight and Police Files. Our next question will be coming from Gorgie Rula of DZRH and PEP.
Good evening. Kay Baron na lang muna. Baron, first, correct mo lang ako ha, kasi kung ito ba yung project nyo ni Kiko, first
Nag-live
project
ka
ni Kiko
ba?
Matos after ng mga drama ninyong dalawa noon, ilang years ago. Kumusta working with him, and mas tingin nyo ba dapat mas humaba pa yung mga eksena nyo, o kumusta kayo during dun sa shoot?
Sobrang saya. Actually, nakapag-bond si Kiko sa lahat. The directors, the staff, with the crew. And yes, first time namin ulit na magkasama after 4 years. I hope na magkaroon kami ng parang MMA
Ranch ba yan?
action.
As
Pero
in
BL
Sir
wala
Ranch.
yun.
Oo, pwede rin, di ba? Mas bongga pa, mag-bongga.
Joke lang. I'm not giving you any ideas, joking, but I would love to work with him in an action film. Magaling siyang artista po.
Oo. And sabi mo nga kanina, parang nahihiya ka pa dahil doon sa mga daring scenes na nagawa mo. Mas daring yung ginawa mo pa before sa Cinemalaya, may frontal ka pa doon. So pwede bang magawa mo rito sa mga next projects mo?
Depende po.
Depende sa bayad.
Nasa 2 million siguro. Boss ko. Siguro all out na. Hindi na rin ako gusto ko rin mag-shout out, no? Kay Freddy and sa cinematographer namin. Ang galing nila. And of course, sa people behind the scenes, nakatulong po sila. Of course, kay Ate Chris May, line producer namin, na talagang ginawa niya lahat, no? So shout out and kay Director Dante, kay Hyde, lahat.
Last na lang, Baron. Ano yung pagkahanda mo rin dito? Sa fairness naman, hindi naman nakakahiya yung katawan mo doon, di ba? Wala namang mga bil kahit pa paano. Pinaghandaan mo yon and i-clear na rin natin, ito ba yung project na medyo nagka-problema kayo ng wife mo or naayos na ba? Pagusta na kayo?
Opo, ito yung film na yan. Pero kung mapanood nyo, kasama po siya sa movie.
Yung mismong ano?
Hindi, may extra po siya sa movie.
Nandun siya. So
yeah.
aware siya dun sa mga...
Yes, aware naman po siya. And she's in Turkey right now. Ang saya ng niya, ginagawa niya doon. Vacation with their friends. But yes, soon. Next month, I'll be seeing her. We're okay. All is good.
Okay, thank you. More projects, ano?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Gorgie Lula of DZRH and PEP. Next we have Joey Sarmiento of Remate.
Hi, good evening and congratulations sa lahat ng cast. Ang question ko kay Baron, parang follow-up na lang ito siguro sa question ni Cordy. Baron, when you, kakaiba talaga yung role mo dito actually, parang masochism yung dating, no? Parang gano'n. So, parang gano'n. Gusto ko lang malaman, nung nabasa mo yung script, nung binigay sa yung script, when you learn about the role, na talaga nabigyan mo naman ng justice talaga. Meron ka pinagpaalaman dito? Or nagdalawang isip ka ba nung tanggapin to?
Ganito po kasi yan. Tinawagan po ako ni Direk. Brillante. Baron, gagawin kang pelikula. Ganda yung role. Kasama mo si Vince. Kayong dalawa bida dito. Ikaw kontrabida. Yes, Direk. Sige po. Mag-meeting tayo, Direk. Boss June Rufino. The next day, nag-meeting kami. Okay, nice. Maganda yung mga eksena dito, ha? Basta ganyan. Wala, hindi ka inom, ha? Tapos biglang, pagdating na doon, parang mag-plaster ka na. Ho? Hindi, may mga 7 sexy scenes ka dito. So pinanindigan ko na lang dahil naniniwala ako dun sa yung kay Direk Phil, una. Tsaka kay Direk Brillante, hindi ako makahindi. Basta pelikula kasi ni Direk Brillante or siya yung producer. Talagang hindi lang for Viva Max to, maaaring pati sa ibang bansa, di ba? Grateful. Pero naisahan po ako ni Direk Brillante, walang yakan.
So, ibig sabihin wala kang idea of what kind of character you play?
Everyday kasi po, bigla na lang na, sabihan na, para explain mo yung style. Wala pong script kami. Wala pong script. Nakatago po lahat yan. So everyday is, plaster ka na, ha? Direk, akala ko po bukas pa yan. Hindi, 7 gagawin mo ngayon, tuloy-tuloy. Mas nakakapagod po actually ang love scene kaysa sa mga barilan at saka takbuhan. Grabe nakakapagod. Totoo po yan, hindi po ako nagbibiro. But thank you po. Yun. Ang kagandahan naman, kami po kasi wala po akong alam sa SNM or BDSM. So yung partner ko na si Janelle, nanood po kami ng mga clips para maintindihan po namin kung bakit ganun po ang tema and bakit ganun po ang gusto ng character ko. Bakit niya ginagawa yun? Dahil feeling niya powerful siya. So gusto niya ma-overpower siya ng babae.
Okay.
At least sa kama man lang.
Okay, thank you Baron, and good luck sa movie. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Joey Sarmiento of Remate. Please stand by for our next batch. Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie, Julie Gaspar of Bulgar, Pilar Mateo of Hatao. Our next question will be coming from Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie.
Daming Marites.
Congratulations guys. So, yung question ko, since kala kasi ang maganda din sa movie is kala kayong mga tauhan sa isang barahan na naglalaro. So, yung pinaka-question ko, kung mga tauhan kayo, isang baraha, anong tauhan kayo at saka bakit?
Alas, charing.
Siguro po, ako po, pag ganyan na lang po. No? Siguro, Joker. Hindi, King po. King. Kasi feeling King ako dito.
Ayun, Joker dito. Ayun, mapaglaro. Ganun. So, Jack. Joker.
Queen, ikaw na.
Queen. Yeah.
Ikaw din.
Ako alas, since it resembles Angie.
Wow.
Actually, wala kasi talaga akong alam sa mga braha. Like, alam ko lang yung king, queen, but hindi ko alam yung mga meaning nila kasi hindi talaga ako marunong laro ng mga ganyan. Online sabong lang, joke.
I think that's it. Thank you very much. That was Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie. Our next question will be coming from Julie Gaspar of Bulgar.
Dami palang media.
Bandera.
Thank you. Good evening po. Baron, first time mo naka-work si Vince dito sa Pusoy?
Hindi po.
Sa Pusoy po,
First time
hindi,
mo lang?
maraming beses, bata pa po actually. Kaya napagkakano yung edad ko, no? Actually, 13 years old pa lang si Vince. May mga ginagawa na po kami nila direct with like mga horror movies, and Vince would tag along. Parang pinag-aaral siya. Nag-aaral siya mag-act. So nakailang beses na rin kami, but this is the first time na talagang nakita kong noong una bida na siya, tapos ano na rin po, internationally acclaimed na rin siya for his acting. So actually may mga scenes na ako humingi ng gabay kay Vince. Lalo na pagdating, hindi, totoo kasi iba kamay po nito. Medyo pag tumatanda po tayo, medyo bumabagal yung kamay at saka isip. Pero si Vince, iba talento po nito. So, humingi po ako ng payo sa kanya kung paano gawin niya.
Ibig niya pong sabihin, hindi po kasi siya, tinanong ko siya kung naging nalulung ka ba sa sugal. Sabi niya, ever since hindi ako nalulung sa sugal, kahit na hindi daw po talaga nagkakasino siya ever since. So, kada magtitake kami, kaya makikita niyo yung baraha, hindi siya marunong humawak, kasi nanginginig pa. Kaya sabi niya, Vince, ayusin mo yung baraha ko. Ayun, doon ko siya natutulungan po sa baraha. Hindi po kasi siya marunong talaga.
Okay.
Thank you, Baron. Vince, since hawak mo na yung mic, anong mga advice na binigay sa iyo ni Baron na talagang chinicheris mo hanggang ngayon? Kasi sabi niya, bata ka pa lang, magkasama na kayo.
Lagi niya akong pinupuri. Hindi ko naman po yung gusto yung gano'n. Lagi niya akong pinupuri na, ikaw galing-galing mo, ganyan-ganyan, sobrang galing mo. Tapos sa eksena namin, tahimik ka lang pero nakikita ko yung reaction mo. Sabi ko, hindi ganun yun. Sabi ko, kuya, kung mag-alala, sabi ko sa kanya, lamon mo ako dito kasi mas intense ka umarte sa akin, pero may puso. Sabi sa kanya, iba ka pa rin, Baron guys.
So marami ka rin natutunan sa kanya.
Opo, marami na po na, ayan, yung sa may pupunta sa set, iinom sa akin, hindi ko na ginagawa kasi nakikita ko na po yun sa kanya. Dati po. Yan, dati po. Kaya hindi ko na po ginagawa.
Matalinong bata nga po doon si Vince, napakatalinong bata. Ito po dapat yung diluhin. Pero, in all fairness, hindi po, walang nangyaring inuman na totoo sa...
Dating ginawa po namin, mautak po siya eh. Umorder siya ng halo-halo. Kwento ko yan. Akala ko talaga halo-halo. Nilalagyan niya pala ng alak, gin. Sabi ko yung halo-halo may gin, mautak. Basta gusto niya talaga inom talaga siya. Pero ngayon, nalahan namin nagbago niya. Siguro po, takot lang kay Drake Brilliant, hindi ko alam siya.
Hindi po, takot ako kay Boss B. At saka,
Oh, that's good to know. Thank you. Last na lang po, sino man ang gusto sumagot. Ay no, Direk, hindi pala may question ako. Paano po yung journey na nag-meet kayo ni Direk Brillante? Paano nag-uwi yung gano'n?
Derek, how did you meet with Direk Brillante?
How did you and Direk Brillante Mendoza meet? The journey of you meeting together and your artistic collaboration for Pusoy. How did it all start?
So you may not remember this, but I met you. He came to speak at my university. I went to New York University, and he presented one of his films there. We met briefly. So that's when I started being exposed to his work, because before that I never saw. So I started watching all his films, and I was like so shocked. That was like maybe 10 years ago.
Singapore? Is it Singapore?
Yeah. Carlos invited you to give a talk. We never even mentioned this. We never even discussed this, but oh, you remember? Yeah. And so then I started watching his films, and I was like blown away. Like I watched Kinatai, and I was like, I didn't know you could do that type of thing. The verite and the way it through the crowd, and, like just everything.
Sila mga invited lang siguro din.
Okay. And then we met also in 2016. My short film was in Busan, and we met there. We started building a friendship, a relationship, and I wanted to work with him.
Dalawa lang
for quite
naman
some
yung
time.
bida na babae
And then,
doon eh. Si Janelle tsaka
when
si Anna.
I wrote the script for this project, and we pitched it. And
Ay, tatlo pala
so I
sila.
was developing it, and once we were close to getting greenlit, Carlo Valenzuela, who's associate producer on the film, my kind of producing partner, we reached out to Brillante to give us some creative advice on the script, just to kind of fill out the characters and the world a little bit, and it seemed like a really good creative fit. So he came on as producer towards the end, right before we got. Actually, I think we had just gotten greenlit, and right at that point, he came on, and his company came. They produced the film for us. So yeah, it was kind of like he's been a big inspiration for me for a long time. And is there another part? Is that the whole question?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. That was Julie Gaspar of Bulgar. Our next question will be coming from Miss Pilar Mateo of Hataw.
Hi. Good evening and congratulations to everybody. It's a magnificent movie. Wow. I'd like to ask a direct feel, or baka si Direk Brillante. How was the collaboration with Direk in this movie? How did you divide? Was there division of labor as far as making the actors act?
Yeah, so we discussed everything. It's like everything's a big conversation, and that's one thing I really like about like working on this production is there's so much communication. There's lots of meetings, lots of conversations. So we discuss everything, and they don't actually know like the story or the scripts. They're not given any of that. It's very common, but with how his productions. But so he and I will discuss what's going to happen in the scene, what the intention is, everything. And then he will kind of like discuss it with them, and they do the scene. We make little adjustments. Yeah, it was like a truly collaborative experience.
So, who handled the sex scenes? Did Direk Brillante give you all the free hand as far as that is concerned?
No, it's a complete collaboration. So we just, everything, like every single decision, we talk about. There's nothing on there that we don't talk about. So, some things are more his, some things are more mine, but everything we kind of discuss and
How would you rate the actors?
top notch. I'm like, I've been, every
Sir,
time I get these kind of questions,
nag-download
like,
talaga ako ng Vivo.
they're incredible. Like, Baron's like so explosive.
Iyan ko pa sa kanila to eh.
He's just so like,